Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Nongjngohkai ke jela wa polling do ula Pynshai. Badang shen ke sorkar kala deban penlong ye ke jenyalang arsin berkikin hon ba penyat kali, ba penyat ye ying basa, lene jakasa kinong Nongjngohkai, bat kinong kedolenti kinong Nongjngohkai, ha kabayakren shibun ki jing bat ki jing don kam ke jela, ha kabalajan barok kila penpau bat yakren lang. Baka jela kadang Duna sa Kumba Hajar Tylli ki kali ban kit iki Nongjngohkai. Ubak pol ula penpau ya gani haba kali halor ke jing keno ke kinhon all khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association ba ke sorkar kale kuman bat klemper king iki kali ki banabar ki bakamai ban kit ya ki Nongjngohkai. Ubak pol ula ong bakamlong ke basuk banyak keren lut bat kawai ke kinhon namar ki kinhon bap her ki lawan lang. Kawai banyak keren haki art lagi jingelang ki bala khot penlong deka sorkar. Uba pol uloong bah haki jingelang bat kikin hon ki ba penyat kali. Ki ba penyat ya ki yang basa lani ki jakasa jong ki Nongjngohkai bat ki nong kedolenti ki Nongjngohkai. Ladep banyatai shibon teli ki jing bat ki jing don kam na ki jela ha ka bala labru ba ke jela kadang Duna sa Kumba Hajar Tylli ki kali ban kit ki Nongjngohkai. Kumta uloong bagini ki kinhon ong nya kali ki dairu banyak keren bat ki paranong nya kali ki bana asam bat don kamru ban snotho kumno ban ya nya ka dai bat kani ki jingdawa perking ki kali toris namar kam dai ban siat kala yala de.
Stakeholders meetings with everybody connected with the tourism sector, including transporters, including hoteliers, homestay owners, drivers associations, guides. All of these have been involved in 2 rounds of discussions. What emerged from that discussion was that a number of issues were flagged, but it's very important. It's very important that the various associations come under a single platform. Now, already, even those who do not belong to any of these associations, their number is roughly 60%. 60% of these drivers do not belong to any association. The rest, 40%, are splintered into several groups. Now, how do you talk to such a large number of groups when there is not even uniformity of approach amongst them? 2, it is pure common sense that the law of demand and supply is in operation in any economy. Today, there is a shortfall of roughly 3,000 vehicles to ferry tourists inside Meghalaya. 3, it should also be the effort of the transporters, the taxi drivers, to negotiate and open discussions with their counterparts in Assam. Because today, it is a pure fact that Meghalaya depends more on tourists from Assam rather than Assam depending more on tourists visiting Assam. Would you agree with me? Yeah. The airport is in Guwahati, the major airport. The railway station is in Guwahati. The hospitals, the best hospitals in the northeast are in Guwahati. Our nurses, our professionals are working in several parts of Assam. It's a very sensitive issue. So they have to know how to approach, what to approach, and to ensure that in the process of wanting more, you do not shoot your own foot. Okay?
These associations, there are multiple. They represent just part of East Hazards. What about governors? What about Pynshai? What about giant dealers? What are the interests? What are the issues? Let them come up as a single entity and approach the government.